AI video generators are advancing every day. Look at this video, it's not real. It was generated by AI from these prompts. Can you believe this panda is wearing glasses and reading a book? This video is generated by our built-in templates of text to video. Here's another one. Look at the quality. This video was created from a simple text prompt. All of the videos were generated with our brand new AI text to video feature. Today, I'll share how to generate outstanding videos like these. Let's dive in. First, open Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the link in the description below. Second, text to video custom mode. Hover over to the left under AI Media. Click text to video. In this new window, you will see it has three parts. Prompt. Here you should enter the prompt for the video. A good prompt consists of three main points. Subject. What is the focus? Cat, balloon, people, flowers, or anything else? Action. What is it doing? Jumping, floating, rolling, falling. Scene. Where is it happen? On the street, on the hill, in front of two trees, in front of the desk. Like this video, the prompt is a brown puppy chases a butterfly in a flower-filled meadow. Settings. Here you can choose the duration, aspect ratio, and creativity of the video. You can adjust the creativity between 0 and 1. The closer the value is to 1, the closer the generated result is to the prompt word. Negative prompt. You can put the content that you don't want to see in the video here. For example, blur, distortion, low quality, etc. Of course, you don't have to add negative prompt, and the result will still be good. Here, I have add some prompt here, and set all the settings to default. Now click generate, and that's the result. It's really great. The colors, lightings, and qualities are very good. Third, text to video templates. Click this purple inspiration icon. Here, Edimakor has offered you many pre-made text to video templates. It contains 4 categories: cute pets, landscape, sci-fi, and portrait. Choose one you want to generate. And you can make it more customized by changing its prompt or adjust the creativity. And these are the videos I generated using the cat storytelling templates. I didn't change its prompts, but you can see the videos it generated are very different. It won't create same videos for you. So you don't need to worry the video you created will be the same as others. And that's it. That's how you can create an astonishing video using text-to-video AI in Edimakor. How wonderful is that? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.